too much materials on hand. You have so much that you could literally open your own store. Same. Don't get overwhelmed by your hoarding tendencies and choose the duck, our newest innovation in battling hoarding behavior. It's simple. Just rummage through your baskets and find that one material that didn't see the light of day for about 10 years and make yourself the duck. Bye-bye amounts of materials and welcome amounts of plushies.
Wait, what?
Just pretend that you solved all your problems with the duck.
You want to tell me that I'm back at square one?
Well, yes you are, but see it that way. It will be a great present to someone. The duck, also a great present to someone.
Only available in not well-sorted cosplay households.
Jokes aside, I like to have me some plushies. Sometimes in cosplay it looks nicer to have the mascot of the series with you as some kind of prop, and honestly it just looks rad. For those projects I bought in the past some materials that I wanted to finally use up with the duck, cause it's cute! I searched for something simple, real simple. And it happened that I found a picture of a duck like that on the internet. Just a bottle-like body, 2 legs and a beak. With a heart as the centerpiece, cause why not? Pattern was easy to make, so let's choose the fabric. Luckily or not, it depends on the way you see it, I had the specific fabric for plushies. Nothing hairy or fuzzy, just a simple fleece. That's what the material is called in German. Basically, it is 100% polyester, it doesn't budge, so it's perfect for stuffing. For those stubby legs and the beak, I had a lot to choose from. I detest throwing away things that could still be used for something, so I keep a lot of my snippings to use for something like this. In the past I made t-shirts of those jersey fabrics, so why not use those snippings? As you know, jersey is stretchy, real stretchy. It's different than our fleece fabric, but we can still use it with a little help. This help. Iron-on Flizoline is a product that stabilizes your fabric, and mine even can be ironed on from both sides. So, what happens exactly? Well, the iron-on Flizoline acts as the glue to keep your pattern from slipping, moving, stretching or whatever. Once the Flizoline comes in contact with heat, it will melt and glue the fabric onto something. Nice. This technique will only be used on the centerpiece, aka the heart, to prevent it once again from moving or slipping while we try to sew it on the duck.